Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a really heartwarming story about a tiny monkey with a dream that's, well, as big as the whole night sky. Get ready for an amazing tale of curiosity, friendship, and one very special trip to the moon. So where does it all begin? With this one single thought. Our hero, this little monkey named Mo, has a dream that's about to kick off an incredible, literally out-of-this-world journey. All right, let's start at the very beginning. Picture this, deep in a lush green jungle, way up in a super tall tree, lives our hero. And he's got this one big wish that's on his mind all the time. And here he is. Meet Mo. He's not just any monkey, you know? He's incredibly curious and just completely fascinated by that big glowing moon he sees every single night. And that dream of his, to actually go and touch it, well, that's what gets this whole adventure started. Now, Mo didn't just sit around wishing for his dream to come true. An opportunity kind of just landed right in front of him. And this is the moment his quiet jungle life is about to get a whole lot more exciting. So how did it happen? It was actually this simple. Mo stumbles upon this shiny, mysterious red box. And because he's such a curious little guy, of course he hops right inside. He spots a big green button and, well, you know what happens next. He presses it. And just like that, whoosh, he's blasting off on the adventure of a lifetime. Can you just imagine the wonder? I mean, really, try to picture it. As Mo zooms higher and higher, he peeks out the window of his little surprise spaceship. The whole world below gets smaller and smaller, and the sky just fills up with millions of twinkling stars. What a magical sight.
And the journey itself is a huge adventure. He sees our beautiful blue planet from way up high, he meets a friendly little three-eyed alien who gives him a wave, and he just can't stop giggling with excitement. Mo's discovering that space isn't empty at all. It's actually full of new friends and totally amazing things to see.
So after this incredible trip through the cosmos, Mo finally arrives at his destination. His spaceship lands gently on the moon, but he pretty quickly realizes he's not alone, and that someone there really needs a helping hand. And look at this, the pure joy of just being on the moon. The second Mo jumps out, he feels what it's like to be in low gravity. Boing! He's just floating through the air, surrounded by all this soft, sparkly moon dust. It's everything he ever dreamed of, and probably even more. But right in the middle of all this fun, Mo notices something. Someone's in trouble. And all of a sudden, his amazing adventure turns into a mission to help a new friend. And this, right here, is where our tiny hero gets his chance to really shine. Mo discovers there's a problem on the moon, and it turns out he's the only one who can actually solve it. So check this out. There's a sad little moon bunny who's just too small to reach this giant carrot that's stuck way up on a rock. But Mo? Well, he's got long monkey arms, and thanks to the moon's low gravity, he has these amazing super jumping skills. He is the perfect hero for this exact job. So what does he do? He leaps right into action. With his awesome moon jumps and those long arms, Mo easily snags the carrot for the hungry little bunny. Problem solved. What a great little moment of kindness. With the great carrot crisis officially over, it's time for some fun. The two new friends spend the rest of the day just playing. They take these huge leaps together, roll around in the sparkly dust, and gaze all the way back at the Earth, which looks just like a tiny blue marble from so far away. You know, all incredible adventures have to come to an end eventually. As the sun starts to rise over the moon, Mo knows it's time to head back home. But he's definitely not returning as the same monkey who left. Their goodbye is just as sweet as the time they spent together. Mo thanks his new friend for such an amazing day. See, this wasn't just Mo's adventure. It was something they shared, and it created this really special, lasting bond.
What an absolutely epic day that was, right? I mean, in the morning, he finds a spaceship. By midday, he's cruising through the stars. In the afternoon, he makes a new friend on the moon. And by evening, he's right back home in his favorite tree. That is one incredible whirlwind journey. So, Mo got back to his familiar home, but he brought something truly priceless back with him, a fantastic story and an even better memory. He didn't just touch the moon, he made a friend and he got to be a hero. Mo totally achieved his biggest dream. But an adventure like this, it feels less like an ending and more like just the beginning, doesn't it? It really makes you wonder, with a whole universe of possibilities out there, where is Mo's curiosity going to take him next?